Sunset Station Casino. Come over here, see if I could catch the breakfast buffet, but I'm an hour late. Then I could get in the lunch buffet, but the line was long. So I'm just going to go ahead and play my nickel poker until the line goes down. It's got to be a popular buffet here at Sunset Station, Feast Buffet. I mean, I left here because the line is long. Come back an hour later and the line is still the same length. I guess I gotta get in line. Starting off at the Feast Buffet with Italian, Alfredo, chicken Alfredo, and a slice of pizza. I gave him a $2 tip up front and got good service and good seating by giving him a tip up front. What makes this one of the best buffets in Las Vegas here at Sunset Station? Lunch buffet, $9. This time I'm going all out Mexican. Refried beans and fried rice and some pork. You gotta eat Mexican when you're in Las Vegas. People staying on the Strip cannot enjoy these cheap buffets out here at Sunset Casino and other places because they don't have a car. So they have to eat on the Strip. Lunch buffet on the Strip is probably around $25. Lunch buffet here, $9. You can almost pay for your car by eating off the Strip. 2 plates of food is enough for me. I'm not loading up just because it says it's a buffet. I don't want all the calories that I just got to go home and try to lose for the next month. No, for $9 that's plenty. I feel not full, but enjoyed the meal. For this kind of money, I can come back tomorrow and do it all over again. Sunset Station Bowling Alley. Quite extensive. Very big area. Nice. If you're a bowler, you're going to love it here. There's as many people here bowling as there are playing in the casino. Here at Sunset Station, they've got a Panda Express, gourmet Chinese food, and nobody there. Well, you know what happened? Chinese from mainland China are now barred from coming to the United States. So they're not eating at Panda Express. Well, I got 4 of a kind here at Sunset. I've been getting a lot of 4 of a kind, some 5 of a kinds, straights, full houses all over the place. But I don't video it anymore because I get busted with no video here, no video here. You know, I get tired of that. Who knows, one day I'll get kicked out of a casino for doing that.